So in today's vid, what's up guys, we're gonna replace the sway bar bushings on the hard body, change new bushings. And so who knows how long those been, dude. Those are kind of cracked. So I'm gonna lift the truck. You're gonna see from the bottom what I mean, how bad they are. Pretty simple to swap out. Shouldn't have any hassle doing your own bushing swap outs. So let's jack up the vehicle, put it up on stands, and swap out these sway bar bushings. Got the stands ready? Let's get to it. Alright, so one of the bushings right there, just those two bolts, and the other one right there. Now, before I start working on it, I'm gonna clean it first. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of the greaser and just wipe it down. Does the job, whatever it can do. Just use this dirty rag that I have there. Alright, so the size of that would be, so I'm using a 9/16 socket. Seems like that fits perfect, not too much play. So let's start loosening it up. Okay, go ahead, grab an extension because you might need room. Add that, and let's kind of twist. There you go. As you can see there, that's starting to come off. Those two are off. See how that's loose now? And all I gotta do is pull that off. That comes off. And just kind of slide this off. Now sometimes it's hard to slide off. If you're not able to slide off, you're gonna have to loosen up the other side. So same process on this side. We're going to remove those two. That loosens this up, so then you're able to remove the bushing. All right, so now that's off. It's easy. That slides right off, and so does the other one. Let's compare them. So as you can see, those look a bit different from what I know was this design was for the four-wheel drive that had these, I guess, indentations or wings at the end. The two-wheel drive was a bit more flat, so oh well. Let's go ahead, see that clean spot right there? Let's go ahead and add that there, the bushing. Okay, bushing installed. Let's go ahead and add the other one. And the other one's on there. Now comes the tricky part of the situation. So this sway bar is gonna be kind of difficult to move up. So you kind of have to push it. So as you push it, you gotta use one hand. So it's gonna be kind of hard for me to record this. Essentially, you have to have one of these ready on there. One of those. As you push with your left hand or whatever hand you work best with, you start to thread in one side. That way it stays hanging and you're able to put in the other one. So all you do by hand, you won't cross thread anything. So it looks like I needed help from the jack because I couldn't lift it up. So the jack obviously would use the pressure to kind of build that up. And you get one section ready. Now let's do the other one. And once you tighten everything down, just keep tightening it, but essentially that's how you change out these sway bar bushings. Just a little help from Mr. Jack. Alright, thanks guys. Subscribe, let me know what you think. See you guys in the next video.